New to the Lykoza app and not sure how to download it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Okay, first you need to sign up. Next, you're going to download the tool. I advise you to use Google Chrome since Lykoza is a Chrome extension. With any other browser, it might not work properly. To synchronize your Lykoza and LinkedIn accounts, you need to be connected to your LinkedIn account. If you already have a LinkedIn account, just log in. If you don't, sign up to create one. By the way, if you have several LinkedIn accounts, remember to create a Chrome session per LinkedIn account. It's really important to do this as LinkedIn doesn't allow multi-accounts. And to make sure you don't lose sight of the extension, remember to pin it so you can find it more easily that way. Click on Open Lykoza and refresh the Lykoza dashboard. And just so you know, if you've never used the tool before, you will automatically have access to 1 week free trial to test all the features. And that's it. Now you are all set to start using Lykoza. Thanks for watching and enjoy!